Hello y'all, and welcome to another weekly catch-up. So this week has been crazy busy. I've been working from home at the same time. We've had painters here. They still have yet to finish, but this is looking good. The paint that we started with here was super dark, and it just made the rooms feel super small. So we got this cream colored paint to go up on the walls, and it is looking outstanding. We are so excited about it, and they should be done tomorrow. So the other issue we've been dealing with here is the fire sprinklers. This house does have fire sprinklers because it is kind of a rural house, so it's really helpful to have them. But when we bought the house, they weren't working, so they require a little bit of work. We've been working through contractors and stuff to get quotes, and through that whole process, we've learned a lot about how they actually work, what they need to work, all that different stuff. So we'll make a video about it in the future, explaining everything for people who are interested in getting a system or are buying a house with the system already in it. And in other news, our pool is finally full enough to at least swim in and have the pump on and everything, so that's exciting. You can also tell the air quality is getting better. You can see the mountain behind our house pretty easily, so that is awesome. It's still bad in other parts of the valley. I don't know if you can see it down there, but at least it's improving. And last but not least, we had some friends over. Steve Brown, thank you very much for the help. Steve helped me move stuff out of one of our last storage units, and then we kind of had like a family pool party here with all of his family. It was a lot of fun. They're really good friends, and yeah, it was a blast. So thanks y'all for watching. We appreciate it. Please consider clicking that subscribe button below if you haven't already. Later this week, we got our Simply Safe install video coming out. Thanks guys, have a good one. Thank you guys for watching, we appreciate it. If you haven't already, please consider clicking on the subscribe link below. Also, we have the video that YouTube recommends for you down here to your left, as well as our most recent video to your right.